So today we're gonna learn how you can add shop buttons over on your Instagram in your Instagram profile. So watch the video till the end. First of all, go to your profile and then click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and head to settings. And once you're in settings, now you have to go to account, and over there first of all you have to switch your account type to the professional one. So just click on professional accounts and here we go. Now you have to select a niche. So I'm going to select from here, let's say shopping and retail. Alright, so and click done. Now choose the business type, and if you want to add your contact information you can add it from here or you can skip it. Alright, so here we go. Now just simply click on this cross icon in the top left and we are successfully switched to our professional account. Now just simply click on edit profile. Now one thing that I want to mention is that if you are having more than 1000 followers, an option will be displayed to you named actions, and using that option you can add your shop buttons. So if you're not having more than 1000 followers, you cannot add shop buttons. So make sure to remember this. In my case, I don't have followers more than 1000, so I cannot add shop buttons. So this is basically how you can add shop buttons on your Instagram profile. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.